How to use a wood chipper for a paper shredder. Wood chippers are often used in the papermaking process to reduce the size of wood chunks. Tiny pieces of shredded wood are then pressed and dried into paper sheets. The same fast-spinning blades can turn a stack of paper into a pile of scraps. You can shred large stacks of documents with a wood chipper much faster than most office shredders. A wood chipper can turn sensitive papers into confetti in a matter of seconds. Things you'll need: electrical outlet or fuel, trash can, goggles. Set the wood chipper up on level ground. Some chippers have stabilizing legs you can extend for increased balance. Add fuel to the tank or plug the chipper into an electrical outlet. Direct the discharge outlet from the wood chipper to spray into an empty trash can. Cover your eyes with goggles. Switch the wood chipper on. Adjust the settings in the control box to small or fine for little paper shreds. Start the blades of the chipper. Feed a 1-inch thick stack of papers into the hopper. Allow the teeth of the chipper to draw the pages in and through. Adjust the position of the trash can if the exiting paper shreds are missing. Tips: warnings. Use a grounded 3-prong extension cord if the outlet is too far for the power cord to reach. Never operate heavy machinery like wood chippers while intoxicated, tired or on medication.